At least 15 people have been killed after heavy rain caused a landslide in Kerala's Idukki district early this morning, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan said Friday evening. 15 others have been rescued so far and are undergoing treatment at the Tata General Hospital in Munnar. Cost of treatment will be borne by the state, the Chief Minister said, announcing 5 lakh as compensation for the families of those killed. Officials say the landslide happened in the Rajmalai area of the district, which is around 25 kilometers from the tourist town of Munnar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted Friday afternoon to say he was pained by the loss of lives and to announce compensation from the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund of 2 lakh rupees each to family members of those who had died and 50,000 rupees to those who were injured. A 50-member strong special task force of the State Fire Service, who have been equipped for nighttime work, are among the emergency services personnel sent, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has said. An NDRF, National Disaster Response Force, team has reached the landslide site. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan tweeted that a second team, based in Thrissur, was also en route and police, fire service personnel and forest and revenue officials had been instructed to join rescue efforts. Police, fire service and forest and revenue officials have been instructed to join the rescue efforts, Chief Minister Vijayan said in another tweet. Prime Minister Modi said his thoughts were with the families of those who had suffered. Pained by the loss of lives due to a landslide in Rajmalai, Idukki. In this hour of grief, my thoughts are with the bereaved families. May the injured recover quickly. NDRF and the administration are working on the ground, providing assistance to the affected, Prime Minister Modi tweeted in response to the tragedy. Ex gratia of 2 lakh rupees each from PMNRF would be given to the next of kin of those who have lost their lives due to a landslide in Rajmalai, Idukki. 50,000 rupees each would be given to those injured due to the landslide, he said. A red alert has been issued for tomorrow, August 8, for Idukki, Thrissur, Wayanad and Palakkad districts, while an orange alert has been sounded for all other districts except Tirunelveli.